I'm in the wrong lane. Ah! Oh, this dude's being a f***. Oh, wait. Are you trying to be an asshole? No. You're not f***ing with me, right, dude? Because I would totally beat your ass. Like, look at you, bro. Like, you're a fucking little simp, bro. Like, what are you doing? Why are you trying to swerve at me? Oh, you got a gun. Because you're that cool. I knew it, bro. I knew it. That speaks volumes right there. By the way, you're on camera. You're on camera right now. You're on like 5 cameras. And you're tough as shit. Bro, I'm by myself, dude. Don't worry about it, bro. But you still start swerving at me, and now you pull a gun. That shows that you're a little bitch. So go home and live that, dude. Live that. Sleep it tonight. Ha! It. Ooh, y'all getting all of it tonight. Ow! Y'all getting all of it tonight, bro.